Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to temporarily disable USB debugging without actually disabling it in Android smartphones. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, let me show you by opening the settings. So you can see I have enabled the USB debugging right now. As you can see, it's being turned on. So now let me show you, let me open one application just to give you an example. So you can see here I'm getting one message that I need to switch off or turn off the USB debugging in order to use this application. So right now USB debugging has been enabled and I'm unable to use this application since I have enabled the USB debugging. So I don't want to turn it off permanently. So for this, what you need to do is just open the Play Store and just search for one application name as Shizuku, and first you'll see the application. As I've already downloaded and installed it, so I'm not going to do it again. So you firstly download and install this application, and after that just open any web browser and just visit to this website link. I'll be providing this website link too in the video description, so you can click there and visit to this website link. After that, just scroll down below and you can click on any one of this download link, whichever downloading you want to use, and install this second application. And after that, just open the Shizuku application. And now you need to turn on and start the Shizuku services. So for this, I have a separate video tutorial. So I will be leaving the video tutorial how to enable and use Shizuku in the video description. So you can click there and check out the Shizuku video tutorials. So I'm just fast forwarding this video. So finally, I have started the Shizuku application. As you can see, Shizuku is running, and now you can minimize it. Now just open the SL application. Click on this request permission. Click on allow all the time. Now click on this start option. Now here you need to type one command, which I'll be leaving in the video description too. And after that, just click on this button. Now you can see the raspberry command has been activated. Now you can minimize it too. Now let us try to open the same application which we have opened earlier. So now you can see here, earlier we are getting a message to disable USB debugging. Now no more such message is showing up. That means the USB debugging has been temporarily disabled. So let me minimize it and let us open the settings again. And let me show you. So you can see here USB debugging is still turned on. So by using these cool tricks, you can temporarily disable USB debugging without actually disabling it in Android smartphones very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.